Hi class, this is my self-evaluation for the week 2 project. I was in charge of the printed ad collection once again for the media communications program. As far as the group goes, this week I did take charge. I started right away. I started a Wikio chat with the group and I checked back sometimes 3 times a day to see if anyone else had added themselves so I could add them in our conversation as well. I did ask anyone if they wanted to be a leader and take charge in these things, and nobody did. So I went ahead and I took charge, created the Google Share document. Um, I answered any questions that anybody had. I made the group decisions, I suppose. Um, and if anybody reached out to me, I made sure that I answered them in as timely a manner as possible. Um, Project-wise, I did try to create my ads in Adobe to start with, and it was a horrible failure. I knew exactly what I wanted to do in my head concept-wise, and I could not make it work with the program. I was extremely frustrated. I wanted to throw the computer. So I wound up using Paint instead, but because I was so upset about everything and just in a very poor mood considering I didn't do as good of a job as I could have done. Viewing the video Things Every Designer Should Know was very beneficial for this. I did read instead of watch the video, but what I really took from it was using simple yet iconic to make it memorable but not too much. That was what I was trying to go for with my ad collection in this case. I wanted it to be a collection, so not separate pieces, but one uniform look. And once again, so that video was very beneficial for that. As far as Adobe goes, I think that if I were to do the Lynda training and even the Adobe workshop, rather, I'm sorry, that would help me out. I think I just need some practice. I think that using a different platform other than Paint would have been beneficial for me. I think that if I had taken more time and been in a better state of mind, it would have been good as well. I don't think there's anything wrong with creating anything in Paint. It's just not as polished or professional as it could have been. If I want to use software that I'm unfamiliar with, I need to practice first, well, before the due date. This was all happening on Saturday night, so that's obviously not very beneficial. Also remember that the team flowed really nice with the open communication in that everybody responded in a timely manner to each other. So, thank you.